Hey, how's it going? I'm gonna do a video today. Back outside, it's warmed up. I appreciate everybody that's watched my knife videos that I've done. Today I'm gonna do something a little different. This is my son's F150 pickup truck. It's a 96 model. And I've been having trouble with the shifter having all this play in it. And I'm gonna try and fix that. And I'm gonna show you where it is and what it looks like. And I've got my tools out to get down here underneath the dash, right underneath the steering. And if you look right here, you can see how loose those bolts are. I hope I'm not zoomed. Hope you can see. Those are really loose and there's a lot of play in there. So those are star bits. And I've got my bit here already. That's what it looks like. And this is a T30. It's a T30. And we're just gonna reach up in here and start cranking these things down because they are way loose. And that's where all my play is transferring from my shifter. And then up a little bit. Get put it on this one. It's not bad to get to. They're just, man, that one's way loose. I hope you can hear me. I'm kind of in a tight spot here. These are about ready to fall out. And apparently this is a problem for the Fords this year model. And I appreciate all the fellow YouTubers that have done videos on this, and I wanted to do one and share this so people could see. That one's so loose I can turn it by hand. I hope I'm getting this. Tighten that up. Oh yeah. That connects straight to your shifter underneath the column right there. And then that connects to your shifter cable, and that's where all the play was coming from. Now everything is really tight and working, so it looks good. Let's go back up top and see. Before, you couldn't even tell when you was putting it in gear what it looked like. That's a lot better. Start her up and see how it feels. And it was getting to where it didn't want to start because it wasn't reading that it was in park. Oh yeah, 100% better. Oh yeah. So just a quick video I wanted to share with everybody. Quick fix, F150 96 model. If your shifter's loose, that's your problem. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. Got more content coming. Thanks